Welcome to the Solax Instructional Installation video series. We will guide you through the installation and commissioning of Solax X1-SPT. Before the installation, please note that the following conditions are met. Install the inverter at a maximum back tilt of 5 degrees. The inverter cannot be tilted forward, inverted, excessive back tilted or side tilted. Open the package and check the materials and accessories according to the following list. Use a marker pen to mark drilling holes of the bracket on the wall and the drill holes in this video. We use Holy board as an example. Hang the inverter on the bracket. Tighten the inverter and bracket. Remove waterproof plug and connect the PV cable. Please remember to plug the ports with waterproof plug when not in use. Remove waterproof plug and connect the battery power cable. Connect the BMS port. Connect the CT port. Connect the cable to the grid and EPS port. Be careful about the direction and position of the CT. The arrow on the CT should point in the direction of the grid. CT with the letter U should be installed on the L1 line, and CTs with the letter W should be installed on the L2 line. Short circuit the I-plug of the last T58 slave battery. Connect the power and communication cables between the batteries. Connect the pocket and make the net configuration when the inverter is on. If you don't know how to make the net configuration, please check our net configuration video. After finish all the cable connection of batteries and inverter, you should set the dip switch to the right number. And then you can turn on the breaker and press the button to start the battery.